Heyo duckies, Andy Lippy here. I found another cheeky plugin for OBS that I think you are really going to love. Crack the like button and subscribe for more OBS goodness. Let's get into it. Put your rock in for the stone. The plugin I'm talking about today is called OBS Toolbar by the plugin developer misuta asriel. It basically will replace the standard OBS controls dock that says start streaming, start recording, etc. I love how sleek and minimalistic it is. To get your hands on it, jump to the OBS Forum, I'll leave a link below, then press download. It will take you to the GitHub page, press the assets button at the bottom. If for any reason you cannot see it, you may need to log into or create a GitHub account. Under the assets dropdown, you'll be able to select the platform you want the plugin for. Windows, Mac, or Linux. You will notice that it hasn't actually been tested on Linux yet, and has only been tested on macOS Ventura. So anyone testing on Linux or any other macOS, then please feedback anything to the developer on the OBS Forum or GitHub page. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the zip file. You can run the batch file to install, but I'm not sure if it takes into account where your OBS Studio folder might actually be installed to. No fear though, we can select the .dll and the .pdb files and copy them. Navigate to where your OBS is installed, usually C drive, then program files or program files 86, then OBS-Studio. Once there, open the OBS-plugins folder, then 64-bit, and paste them into this directory. It may need admin privileges, so just allow and press OK. When you now open OBS, you'll be greeted with a brand new dock in the middle. This dock can be resized and moved. If you hold it near the top of OBS, like you can see here, you can dock it into the OBS interface so it looks super clean. The button on the left will dock and undock the toolbar. The next button in will toggle studio mode on and off. In the middle, we can see some information about OBS. The current stream status, if we are live or not, whether or not we are currently recording, what scene we are currently on, and our CPU usage percentage. The three buttons on the right are very handy too. The left one will toggle our virtual camera on and off. The next one will start OBS recording, and the right one will start and stop OBS from streaming. A nice touch to this is that it will prompt you if you actually want to start streaming, so you don't accidentally press it. I would love to hear your thoughts on what you would like to see added to this handy OBS toolbar. Leave it in the comments below and give the plugin developer a cheeky nudge. Did you like this video? If you did, then press the thumbs up and obviously subscribe. Check out more handy OBS plugins in these videos, and I'll see you over there. Put your rock in for the stone.